everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone buzzing or popping sounds. The first thing that you can try to fix this is head over to setting. The first thing that you can try to fix this is restarting your iPhone. For that, pull down on the quick settings toolbar, long press the power button and then slide to power off. The other thing that you can try is head over to settings, scroll down to find accessibility, scroll down to find audio and visual and make sure that mono audio is toggled off. You may also try removing any screen protectors or cases that might be blocking the speaker grills. You can also try cleaning the speakers or receivers with a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. Make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. You can also try heading over to settings. In general, scroll all the way down to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This will reset all your settings, and if the problem is due to some settings that you may have changed, the problem will be solved. If the problem still continues, it may be a hardware issue and you may have to take your iPhone to a repair shop. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.